Okay, so this was supposed to be the moment that I start this motherfucker back up. Got my jump start box on here and everything, because the battery went dead trying to crank it last time. I've got everything hooked back up as far as I can tell. Turn the jump start box on. And we get nothing. Turn again. Nothing. Turn. Nothing. I get absolutely nothing. No starter actuation. The only thing, noises I'm getting are clicking coming from the ABS relay. And then, yeah, clicking from... And then, noise from, I believe this is the idle speed control. What the fuck? Help!